Today we're making a golden horse for the year of the horse. Please welcome in God of Both Action.
Start by pumping up a 260 gold balloon. Leave a 12 cm tail at the end. First, start off with 2 pinch twists. This makes the mouth of the horse. Now make an 8 cm bubble, then a pinch twist, and then another 8 cm bubble, back to the first 2 pinch twists. Then make a 10 cm bubble, then 2 pinch twists. That forms the ears. Now make a 6 cm bubble, then tie it to the other pinch twist you made earlier. Now you've made the head. Make a 3 cm bubble, and then a pinch twist. Then an 8 cm bubble, and then a pinch twist. And then another 8 cm bubble to bring it back to the other pinch twist you came from. And now you've made the body. Pump up another 260 gold balloon to make the legs. First, start off with an 8 cm bubble, and then another 8 cm bubble, then pop the rest to tie a knot. In total, you'll have a 16 cm bubble. Now do that one more time. Pump up a 16 cm bubble and tie a knot. With the remaining bit, tie a knot and cut off the excess. Split the balloon in half and attach it to the pinch twist in the front of the body. Now for the back legs, do the same thing and attach it to the last pinch twist you've made. And now the 4 legs are done. Then pump up a 260 copper balloon, or you can also use the brown balloon if you don't have copper. Start off with a 3 cm bubble, then attach it to the top of the head. Then make 2 2 cm bubbles and wrap it around the pinch twist a few times. Then repeat that for one more time. Make 2 2 cm bubbles. Then make a 2 cm bubble and then a pinch twist, another 2 cm bubble, and tie it to the pinch twist on the back of the neck. And now the mane is done. With the excess balloon, Pop it and tie a knot. With the remaining tail end, make sure you also tie a knot and wrap it around the balloon a few times to secure it. Now onto the tail. Make an 8 cm bubble. Then 2 6 cm bubbles. Then with the remaining bit, squeeze it around to make it a bit wavy. And now the tail is done. Now pump up a 260 black balloon. First, start off with a pinch twist, then make a loop twist. Then make a 2 cm spacer bubble, and then a pinch twist, and another loop twist. Cut off the rest and tie a knot. This bit makes the 2 front legs. Now with the remainder of the balloon, we're going to make the back legs. Once again, make a pinch twist, then a loop twist, a 2 cm spacer bubble, a pinch twist, and then another loop twist. With the remaining bit, cut it and tie a knot. And now you've got the back legs too. Tie the black part of the balloon onto the gold legs you've just made before. Twist them around to make sure the feet are facing forward. Now do the same for the back legs. Tie the black balloons onto the tip of the gold feet. Adjust the parts to make sure they all look symmetrical. And now onto the eyes. Pump up a white 5-inch balloon to around 2 to 3 inches. Twist the balloon in half to make the 2 eyes. Then push it through the triangular part of the head. Now the twisting part is done, onto the drawing part. Using a black marker, draw in the eyes, eyelashes, and some details and highlights on the eyes. You're welcome to use whatever color for the eyes, but here we're using pink. And now the horse is done.
Wow, I have a balloon golden horse. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.